This Windermere/Access Realty property video is presented by Ladwina Lancaster. 2 giant spruce trees greet you at this country-style property located in the city. 4 bedrooms, 2 baths on 1.36 acres. Raise beef, have a horse, grow tasty fruits and veggies. Steel roof, vinyl siding keep maintenance easy. Newer vinyl windows, beautiful original hardwood floors, updated kitchen and baths. Hay shed, stable, storage building and lots of storage inside too. Think of all you can do here. For more information, review the details below.